Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are well. Now your exams has been over, and you all are happy for your summer vacation. I know, but you have to do the holiday homework which is given by each and every subject. The art integrated. That means when art is included in any subject, okay. So in science, I have given you these two worksheets, these two homework which you have to do. No need to do both of them. Choose only one. And the first one is you have to make an investigatory project on any one inspirational and famous environmentalist of India. That means आप किसी भी environmentalist के बारे में एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, उसका नेम एंड पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे, एंड अगर आप पिक्चर पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस ऑल्सो, ओके. हिज और हर एज एंड नेशनैलिटी, क्या क्या उन्होंने काम किए हैं, डिटेल्स ऑफ देयर वर्क, and the application and future perspectives of his or her work, and how their work changed the society and the world. Okay, so your content should not be exceed 3 pages. 3 pages से ज़्यादा आप नहीं लिखेंगे in the first one. Okay, you have choices. You can choose any one from both these projects. If you are making a video, don't exceed it more than 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so बहुत सारे environmentalist है आपका. मैं एक example देती हूँ, like सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा and many more. बहुत सारे हैं, आप किसी को भी choose कर सकते हो. Go through with the people who belong from Uttarakhand or anywhere else from India. Now in the second one, what you have to do is you must have read about the properties of synthetic fiber and plastic. So do you think that plastics are good for environment? So you have to justify your answer. You have to write some advantages of plastic and how plastic help us to protect forest. You have to do the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable plastics. And if you find out more information about non-biodegradable plastics, very good. You have to write down that. How can we reduce the usage of plastic and polythene in our surrounding? You have to write down about this. And some of the abbreviation which I have given to you, you have to write down their full forms. And in the last one, you have to make a building block of the following polymers. So I hope this homework is very easy and are understood to you. Take care of yourself, enjoy your holidays, and follow the COVID precaution as well. Thank you, students.